So now sum number 2. This sum is very important. So many times in the board also this sum that has asked. Now let us read the sum first of all. Amruta and Divya are the partners of the firm. Their capital ratio is 3:2. Amruta is to be paid 8% commission on net profit. After deduction of such commission, what amount will be received by Amruta if profit of the year is 96,876? Now we have read the sum. Now here Amruta and Divya are the partners of a firm. There are two partners of the firm. Their capital ratio is 3:2. Here capital ratio is given. Amruta is to be paid 8% commission on net profit. प्रॉफिट जो हुआ है उसका पे 8% कमीशन अमृता लेगी. आफ्टर डिडक्शन ऑफ सच कमीशन व्हाट अमाउंट विल बी रिसीव्ड बाय अमृता इफ प्रॉफिट ऑफ द ईयर 96,876. ये फॉर्म का प्रॉफिट दिया है. ये कैपिटल रेशियो है, ये 8% कमीशन है. क्वेश्चन क्या है, अमृता क्या रिसीव करेगी? एक तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अमृता रिसीव कमीशन प्लस अमृता विल ऑल्सो रिसीव her proportion from the profit also. Here capital ratio is given. We require profit and loss ratio, right? So first now let us solve the sum. Now according to the sum, Amruta will receive 8% commission. So first of all we calculate Amruta's commission. In the sum it is given that Amruta will receive commission after deduction of such commission. Amruta receive 8% commission after deduction of such commission. Now whenever in the sum it is given that after deduction of such commission, in the sum it is given that Amruta is to be paid 8% commission on net profit after deduction of such commission. Now whenever in the sum it is given that after deduction of such commission, at that time we apply one formula, and the formula is Amruta's commission is equals to profit into rate of commission upon 100 plus rate of commission. Profit multiplied by rate of commission upon 100 plus rate of commission. Now profit in the sum is given 96,876. Rate of interest 8% is given, so 8 upon 100. This is 100 plus rate of commission, that is 8. So 100 plus 8 comes 108. इसका वो simplification किया, so our Amruta's commission we get 7176. So now after receiving Amruta's commission, now we find out divisible profit. Now what is divisible profit? Divisible profit means here we are solving sum for the partnership firm. So whatever firm earns profit, that is to be distributed in between partners. So that profit is called as divisible profit. Now here this 7176, this commission is to be given to Amruta. मतलब अमृता को ये दे देना है, तो इतना प्रॉफिट कम हो जाएगा. हम इतने पैसे अमृता को दे देंगे इन द फॉर्म ऑफ कमीशन, तो अवर नेट प्रॉफिट दैट विल डिक्रीज. सो दैट डिविजिबल, दैट नेट प्रॉफिट इज टू बी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड इन बिटवीन द पार्टनर्स, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज डिविजिबल प्रॉफिट. तो फॉर्मूला है टोटल प्रॉफिट माइनस कमीशन. तो 96,876 माइनस 7176 इज इक्वल्स टू 89,700. तो ये जो 89,700 आया ये हमारा डिविजिबल प्रॉफिट. अभी ये प्रॉफिट हम अमृता और दिव्या में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेंगे इन द रेशियो. हियर रेशियो इज नॉट गिवन. हियर इन द सम कैपिटल रेशियो इज गिवन, दैट इज 3:2. वी रिक्वायर प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस रेशियो. हियर प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस रेशियो इज नॉट गिवन. Here profit and loss ratio is not given. Now whenever in the partnership firm profit and loss ratio is not given, at that time we distribute profit and loss in between the partners equally. Equally means 1:1 ratio. So this is equals to 2. Ratio, we know how to calculate ratio. In the 11th standard also we have learned how to calculate a ratio. So this 1 plus 1 comes 2. So 1:1 is equals to 2. So whenever in the sum profit and loss ratio is not given, at that time we distribute net divisible profit equally in between the partners. अब हम ये जो 89,700 है वो दोनों पार्टनर्स में इक्वली डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेंगे. 1:1 इज इक्वल्स टू 2, दैट मीन्स 1/2. तो 89,700 अपॉन 2. तो अमृता के हिस्से में 44,850 जाएंगे, दिव्या के हिस्से में भी 44,850 जाएंगे. नाउ इन द सम इट इज़ गिवन दैट हाउ मच अमाउंट अमृता विल रिसीव. तो अमृता एक तो ये नेट डिविजिबल प्रॉफिट भी रिसीव करेगी और ये कमीशन भी रिसीव करेगी. ये भी देना पड़ेगा, ये भी देना पड़ेगा. तो दोनों का टोटल, दैट मीन्स टोटल अमाउंट दैट विल रिसीव्ड बाय द अमृता. नाउ लेट अस कैलकुलेट दैट. So our question is how much amount Amruta will receive. Amruta will receive commission also and net divisible profits share also. So now last step, that is amount received by Amruta is equals to divisible profit plus commission. So 44,850 plus 7,176, that is 52026. So Amruta will receive 552,026 rupees. So this is our second sum. You can write down solution also of this sum. Today's homework, that is I have written in this box page number 15, illustration number 2. This is your homework. Do it yourself. This sum is same as this sum, so do it yourself, and this sum is very important for the board point of view. Okay.